Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Seah, Asian #1 home-based business coach, speaking to you from my home-based business office in Singapore. And this video is how to attend the Create Wealth System seminar or webinar with little or no money. I'll be selling this Create Wealth System seminar for US $970. It's a full day, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I'm giving a very special offer, an irresistible offer. I mean, instead of investing US $970, you can invest US $97. And if you live abroad, it'll be a webinar. If you live in Singapore, it'll be a seminar. So you're only investing 10% of what the original fee will be when I launch it worldwide. So now I'm giving this very special because it's held on my birthday. So even it's my birthday, I love to conduct seminar. So I'll do this on my 66th birthday, which is on the 28th May 2023. I'll be 66, yeah. Let me briefly share a bit about myself. It's very important. So these are one of the $1 million lessons I'll be training you at the full day Create Wealth System seminar. That you must establish credibility is very important. People are very skeptical. They want to know, are you qualified to teach me what you'll be teaching? So I'll be doing that. I'm the author of 3 best-selling books on network marketing. Break Free, There is a Better Way to Earn a Living. First edition sold out, second edition sold out. And that's me when I was 40 years young. 28 May, I'll be 66. And the bird cage represents my 12 years of working hard. And the bird, that's me. I broke free 29 years ago. So I want to inspire people with my story. I was a workaholic at the time. I worked 12 to 16 hours. So hard that when I came home, I just wanted to take a short nap. But when I opened my eyes this morning, I slept with my work clothes on. And it happened a few times. So I want to inspire people that you must come a time that you must tell yourself, enough is enough. I want to break free. That's why I wrote this book, Break Free, There is a Better Way to Earn a Living. And then the other 2 books, they are sold out too. How to Be Successful in Network Marketing. And this is part of my collection. I have over 140 different titles on network marketing. So let's average $20 a book times 140, that is $2,800. I'm willing to invest to learn from successful network marketers who share their knowledge and experience through their books. And the gold mine is between your ears. So your mind is your gold mine. That is why Warren Buffett said that the best financial investment is in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. And this book, Why Network Marketing, the photo was taken at Voucher's Peak in India. I make 4 pilgrimage trips to India and seeking the truth. And the truth will set you free. So I'm so glad I found the truth, which is God. And God to me is love, wisdom, and integrity. So there's a small window of opportunity. Time flies. So come 28 May 2024, I'll be 67. And I want to devote 9 months of the year to do God's great work, share the good news to the ends of the earth. And 3 months as a network marketing consultant, international speaker, keynote speaker, and trainer. So this is what I love to do. So these 3 books are all sold out. I'm looking for a good network marketing company to republish them, and I'll donate 100% of the royalties to feed hungry children and to build wells to provide clean drinking water. These are my paid for projects. So if you want my books, I have 2 paperbacks at Amazon. Just go to Amazon, key in my name, Bruce Seah, and you find this paperback, 108 Success Tips on Network Marketing. The other paperback is How to Earn Your First Million in Network Marketing. When I get on stage, I often ask this important question. If I'm the key factor to help you earn your first million in network marketing, how much will you give me? And there are many generous people. Some say 10%, 100,000, 30%, 300,000, 50%, 500,000, $500,000 they are willing to give me. So I got an irresistible offer for you. Just invest US dollar $19.97. The other book's paperback is the same price, delivered to your doorstep. And whatever proven success principles I applied to earn my first million in network marketing. You'll find them in these 2 paperbacks. And of course, I highly recommend you read one of my business mentors and coaches, Robert Kiyosaki. He's written 2 books on network marketing, and this is an excellent title. The Business School for People Who Like Helping People. The Business School for People Who Like Helping People. That's what network marketing is all about. If you like helping people, you do well in network marketing. And the business of the 21st century. I invested over $6,000 to learn from him. Over 6,000, not 1,000, over 6,000. And in a span of 5 years, he helped me to earn over 84,000. So it's never the investment, it's always the returns on investment. It's never the price, it's always the value. So in this video, I'm sharing with you quite a few $1 million lessons. So yes, you can attend the Create Wealth System seminar or webinar, not for US $970, but for $97, US $1977 only. And this is a special fee for limited time only and limited to 30 people who take action now. And what the seminar is all about, 50% is a generic, 50% will be on how to earn your first million in network marketing, and the other 50% will be $1 million lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000 to learn. So I'll be sharing the generic success principles on network marketing. That means all network marketers can attend. But of course, if you join my Jaylene Global team with a business builder package for less than US 1,000 or basic package for less than US 500 of excellent health supplements, skincare, hair care products at wholesale prices, you can attend this seminar for free. So the date is 28 May 2023, Sunday, 28 May this year. The time is 9 AM to 5 PM, and I'll provide 2 tea breaks. And then the place will be at Jaylene Hotel, 42 Carpenter Street. I'll be writing a report, and this video will be on the report, so you can see clearly the details. And the payment will be US $97 times 1.35. It will be Singapore dollars 130.95 if you're living in Singapore. And you can pay now to my number, my phone number, 81682088. If you live abroad, it will be a webinar. That means I'll record it, or we can arrange a time where you can also attend a webinar. So I'll record the seminar, then email the webinar to you, or so you have choices. You can do that, or if you want, we can arrange a webinar where you can attend, and you pay by PayPal to bruceseah@gmail.com. So those who want to attend, if you live abroad, want to attend my webinar, you'll be informed about a few dates. So you have choices. You can choose the dates that fits you best. So if you want to attend it for free, I mentioned earlier, you can join my Jaylene Global team with a business builder or basic package. Then it comes with a 90-day risk-free 100% money-back guarantee, because we live in a very skeptical world. Many people have been scammed many times. I invested over $100,000 in seminar, over 10,000 to learn digital marketing. So I've been scammed too. So I know what it's like. They promise the moon and left you in the mud. So if after following my step-by-step instruction for 90 days, you cannot earn double of your fee, I'll return 100% of your fee. So there's absolutely no risk. I'm doing this with good intention to give people that little push to make that simple decision. So it's either US $97, or if you join my Jaylene Global team, you can attend for free. So this seminar or webinar is based on my 29 years of network marketing and 23 years of digital marketing knowledge and experience. And you will learn $1 million lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000 to learn. So I put my money where my mouth is. So I'm giving you great value. I was willing to invest over $6,000 to learn from Robert Kiyosaki. I shared with you on that. And $3,995 is good as $4,000 to learn from Jay Abraham at the 3-day $1 billion marketing seminar. It was held in Singapore. Over 500 top executives, multi-millionaire, very successful people. They flew down to Singapore from USA, Taiwan, China to learn from him. Over 500. So now the $1 million question is, are you willing to invest $97 in yourself? So I cannot stress more than enough this $1 million lesson. I mentioned it earlier from Warren Buffett that the best financial investment is in yourself. The gold mine between your ears, in your mind. The more you learn, the more you earn. So that's it. I just want to record this seminar to tell you that it's available, and take action. There's absolutely no risk, and during the full day, there's so much great value. Even if you just curious to know what network marketing is all about, you can benefit by attending it. But more importantly, the 50% of the seminar will be on $1 million lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000 to learn. And this is my legacy to the world. And this seminar will take off, and I'll be doing it in many countries. I've trained and inspired thousands in 11 countries. I'm sharing this not to impress you, but to impress upon you that I know exactly what I'm teaching. I've trained and inspired thousands, starting from Singapore, and then Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Nigeria, USA, Philippines, Hong Kong, and New Zealand. And with God's blessing, very soon Cambodia, India, and China. So life is exciting when you know exactly where you're heading and what you really want to do. So one of the $1 million lessons that I'll be training you on that is clarity is power. You must know exactly what you want in life, and there'll be some fun games, some exercise. So I've invested over 100,000 to attend so many seminars. So I'm applying all those techniques that I learned and the $1 million lessons that I've learned and share it with you. So take action. The confirmation of the seat is when I receive the payment, and it's only limited to 30, limited because of the space restrictions. So love, learn, leverage, and live your dream, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Take care, take action, and God bless you. Bye bye.